A lot of you guys buy this kit. Thank you so much. This is a spa in a bag. This is the Dr. Boogie Secrets perfect prescription. This is the perfect prescription for your hair. Yes, the Dr. Boogie's bag, basically. What's in this bag? I want to run through this real quick. You get the 2-ounce bionic oil, 2-ounce bionic. You get the lotion. Y'all don't know about my lotion. You can use it as hair. You can put it on your body. You can do anything with it. Has 0 alcohol in it. It feels like real lotion. I bet when you feel this lotion, if you've ever used this product, leave a comment. My lotion is like lotion that you've never felt before. Real lotion. What else we got in here? We have Mega Mix. As you know, Mega Mix, I talked about what it is. You get a 4-ounce size of the Mega Mix, you get a 4-ounce size of the lotion, and you get a 4-ounce size of the detangler. See, and this is when people used to be mad at me because they would love this Mega Mix, but they could never get the rest out the bottle. So they was using forks and knives and spoons and straws to get it all out. Next up, we have the detangler. We went through the detangler. The detangler is everything. Yes, it's a small size, but you can travel with this. This all comes in the kit right here. The Dr. Boogie kit that you see online. You get all this for like, I think it's like $80 or something like that, which is a great deal. So you can sample everything. This is the kit. This is the Hold It, 4-ounce Hold It. Everything is individually packaged in this right here, completely safe. And you also get, drum roll, I give you a little manual so you know what the product is, because I know it's new to you. It tells you on each page what the product is, how to use the product, what the product is good for, and it explains for each product, all 5 that is inside the kit. And right now, of course, I'm throwing these in the kit, the Hairline Repair Edge Serum that I'm coming out with, sample size. I'm giving them away free. I'm throwing these in the kit. So when you get the Dr. Boogie Perfect Prescription Beginner Bundle, on my website, drboogiesecrets.com, the beginner bundle, you get the pamphlet, you get a 2-ounce bionic, you get a 4-ounce Mega Mix, you get a 4-ounce detangler, and you get a 4-ounce my custom no alcohol, because you know I have a little eczema, so I made this lotion because it has all of everything I need in it to help me with my eczema, so I don't flake, don't dry up, have scales or anything like that. That's why I can't put alcohol in it. So guys, vitamin A, B, C, D, all of the good vitamins, raw lotion, coconut oil, no scent. Oh, this one does have a Hebrew scent called Her Lala. Everyone wants to know what that's called. Her Lala is the scent for the lotion, guys. I've been using it forever. We love it. All natural. This lotion is something. I haven't just really did this lotion by itself yet. But guys, you get all 5 of these products in the kit. All 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 of these. This is the Hair Care Perfect Prescription Dr. Boogie Beauty Kit Perfect Prescription for you at home to take care of your hair. Enjoy. Hit the link below.